Okay, as you can see, I'm lifting it up. Okay, and that's it. This is how the curb came out. Okay, it's not professional or perfect, but it works perfect. Go ahead and remove the stakes. All right, guys. So it needs some more drying time. So it's only been about 15 hours. It needs more drying time. And I'm gonna go ahead and remove this one. For this one, I've got to remove the screws. And I got to remove these screws here. And then it'll just fall over. Right, I'll be back. I'll see you in my next video. See you later, alligator. Bye.